Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Can't complain.
Good. Well, when I was younger, especially a teenager and in my 20s, I was very spotty,
Okay.
very spotty. I had quite bad acne. So now, finally, now that I'm in my 40s, finally I have clear skin. It's only taken 40 years, and now the wrinkles are coming.
Take facial and all that.
Yes. Yeah. You have nice skin. I'm so pale.
No, my skin is dusky.
I like it. It's nice.
Dusky skin is nice.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Indian people like fair skin like you people. And
I know. And when
even
we go,
even when groom search bride for wedding, they search a beautiful fair lady, fair girl.
Maybe that's why I have so many Indian followers. And when we go on holiday, all we want to do is go as brown as possible.
Okay.
People from
Why?
the UK, because we think having brown skin, having tan and being brown, we think that's more attractive than having white skin.
Oh, really?
So you can't win. Men in the UK usually like sort of dark skinned girls, long brown legs. So dear me. I think you're quite pale.
I'm pale.
Yeah, I think you look quite pale skinned.
Yeah, since last few days, I'm working a lot.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm not getting enough sleep as well.
I don't mean negative pale. I just mean you don't look dusky, as you call it.
No, I'm dusky. People in India, they call in Hindi sauna color. Sauna. Sauna means not fair.
Okay.
Not black in between.
So we know there's racism in the world, but is there racism internally in India?
It's not like racism, but people prefer fair color girls. The boys are not fair. They have to marry with a lady like them, or if they are in a government job, yeah, they get good girl. Good girl means fair girl.
So is it right? Okay. So would you like to discuss some phrasal verbs today?
Yes. Yeah. Yesterday only you told me that you are going to teach me today phrasal verbs, but I didn't prepare any.
Sure. Okay. So I did find something for us today, some examples for conversation, and I've already practiced with my lovely student Ken. Hi, Ken. From Hong Kong, who I spoke to today. I had a lesson with Ken today. He has a lesson with me 2 or 3 hours a week, and also I teach his daughter Candy.
Okay, it's 60 minutes. You mean 60-minute lesson?
Yeah, 60 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
And
it's
also
quite costly for us Indian due to currency difference. I think for Hong Kong it's not that costly.
Maybe not. I teach his daughter as well to 30 minutes twice a week, and yeah, she's very funny. Today she made me do her English homework for her. She's called Candy, but you never know if she wants to learn something. Or sometimes she just says, "Hi, Janet. Okay, watch me play my Nintendo." And she puts the phone so I can see her Nintendo Switch. And all she does is play a game for 30 minutes.
Oh, no. Then
And I try to get her to explain what she's doing in English, so it's a lesson. But you never know. Sometimes she'll read a book with you. Sometimes she won't. Sometimes she wants to play with her clay. Sometimes she wants you to watch her play on Nintendo. But she's very advanced with her English anyway. So
okay, that's nice.
Okay, so I've got a phrasal verb here, to take after. Okay.
Take after, I'll tell you the meaning. Your daughter take after you, means she look like you.
Excellent.
Or your son take after your husband's hair.
Yeah.
His hair. Or
yes.
hair.
Yeah.
Hair.
So
your son take after your husband's hair.
Yeah, your son takes after your husband because he has blonde hair.
Okay, because
yeah. Or your daughter takes after you because she has blue eyes. So my little girl, who's 4, she takes after her daddy because they both have blue eyes.
Okay.
Who do you take after?
My father.
Really? Do you look like your father?
Yeah, since my childhood, anyone who see me, he was asking, "Oh, you are a daughter of him. Is he your father?"
Okay,
I'm
good.
like carbon copy, Xerox copy of my father.
So, okay, and what about personality? Who do you take after?
Personality. My personality is not like my father. My father is heighted and healthy. I'm not that much healthy and heighted. I'm 5'4".
Ah, tall. You mean tall?
Yeah, tall. I'm 5'4", 5 feet 4 inch.
5 foot.
4 inch.
Ah, okay. 5 foot 4 inch.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So we say 5'4".
5 foot 4 inch. Yes.
Yeah, we don't say inch after. We just say 5'4".
Yes.
I am 5'7".
Oh, 5'7". My sister is 5'6" You are 5'7". Oh my God.
How tall is your dad?
I think 6'7" or 6'8". Sorry, 5'8" or 5'9", something.
Okay, so
he's quite tall.
My husband is 6'3".
Oh my God! No stool, no stool or ladder is required in your house.
But my stepson Charlie, my husband's son, who's 20, he's 6'4".
Okay,
he's the tallest.
Oh my God.
So what's the average height for an Indian man?
Around 6 feet, means when people are not 6 feet, less than 6.
Less than 6 foot.
And for female, 6.3, 5.3, 5.4, hardly 5.5 is like average.
Okay, so I'd be quite tall in India. And
yes.
Charlie would be a giant. Okay, another phrasal verb, run into. Okay, there's different meanings for run into. Can you think of one example?
Run into. I don't know meaning of run into.
It's the same as bump into.
Okay, bump into means by accident or incident, means fortunately you meet someone.
Yeah, good. So you bump into somebody in the supermarket.
Yes, yes. I bumped to today. I bumped to my bump into my old school HM.
Yeah, good. Today I bumped into my old school. What was it?
Okay, bump into my school. School means intentionally we didn't visit that place, but by accident we just come across.
Yeah, exactly. So you can bump into your old school friend in the supermarket.
Yeah.
Okay, run into and bump into also means when cars crash. So, or a car has an accident. So I ran into my neighbour's car.
Okay.
I bumped into a lamppost. Okay.
I bump into my friend and I spilled my coffee at the cafe.
Yeah, good. Yeah, spill that's fine. Okay. Get rid of.
Get rid of. I want to get rid of my dirty habit of getting up late.
So get rid of my habit. Probably I want to break my habit. For that would say I want to break my habit. To get rid of or do away with is to throw something out. So for example, I want to get rid of my old smelly slippers. Throw them away.
Okay. Then I want to get rid of habit of taking stress of small things.
Stress of?
Small things.
Can you spell that?
Stress, S-T-R-E-S-S, stress of small things. S-M-A-L-L,
yeah,
small
things.
things.
Sorry, yeah. Okay. So you want to get rid of your stress of little things that are not important. What about bad habits?
Yes.
Is there anything you'd like to cut down on?
Sure. Waking up late, then habit of procrastination.
What about chocolate or sweets or?
Nowadays, I cut down my chocolates and cake, but still eating sometime. I'm not cut out, but cut down.
Cut down, perfect. Yeah, so not cut out, cut down. Good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yesterday only I had cake twice.
Just twice.
Just twice.
Why is it usually 7 times?
Oh, really?
Okay. Okay. Run out of.
Read out of.
Run.
What's meaning?
Run out of.
Okay, run out of. Something is finished, like I'm running out of time.
Yes.
I'm running out of sugar. I run out of spices.
Good. Have you run out of anything?
Run out of money.
I know the feeling. Run out of patience. That happens in my house.
Yeah, nowadays it's everywhere.
Okay, what about anything that's broken down?
Yes, of course. It's like running out of patience or broke down.
Yeah,
means something broke down means like physical thing broke down.
Yeah, it can be. Yeah, like the washing machine broke down.
Yeah, broke down. My car broke yesterday. My car broke down. Then my sound system broke down.
Good.
Means it's out of order, not working.
Sure, yeah.
It's not working.
And what if a person breaks down?
Crying.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
One of my friends, she broke down after listening some bad news.
Yeah, good. Okay. Let down.
Let down. No. I think I don't remember.
Let down. Okay, well, I think you probably do. So I don't want to cancel my lesson with Shaheen because I don't want to let her down.
Okay, reject.
Yeah, disappoint.
Disappoint. Okay, let down. And yesterday we studied a phrase. Reject means turn down.
Yeah.
Or what was that? Turn down. Turn down and let down.
Turn down.
Let down, disappoint, and turn down. It was reject.
That's correct. Okay, let me find another one. Okay, the last time someone put you up at their house.
Put up.
Yeah. Can you put me up for the night?
Put me up means wake. Keep awake.
It means so if I say to you, oh, I've missed the last bus. Can you put me up for tonight? It means, yes. Can you make me a bed and I'll stay at your house tonight? So to put somebody up.
What's exact meaning?
To accommodate them to sleep at your house.
Okay. Will you put me up if I come to England?
Of course. Your bed is already made. I'll just put it in the chat. It's in caps for some reason. Yeah, okay, to put somebody up. Okay, so when is the last time somebody put you up at their house? Or is it a long time ago?
Before lockdown, I was at my friend's house.
Okay. And how far away does your friend live from you?
200 kilometers from this place.
Oh, okay.
Then sometimes we make plan of shopping and dine out and hang out. So usually I used to stay at her home.
All right. So one day, if we have a lesson, can you do curly hair?
Sure.
Yeah. I like curly hair. My hair's
natural. My hairs are curly, but I like straight hair. The people who have straight hair, they like curly hair.
The people who like white skin, the other people like the brown tan skin. It's a crazy world.
Yeah.
Okay, so show off. Do you know anybody who's always showing off?
Yeah, she was showing off her new purse. She was showing off her new car. She was showing off her new dress.
Perfect, yeah. And if somebody is a show off, yeah, like so, for example, I don't like Anna. She's such a show off. That's a negative just word to use for somebody. It means, you know, they are
boastful person.
Yeah, boasting. They're full of themselves. She is full of herself. She's always showing off.
Showing off.
Full of herself.
Full of herself.
Showing off.
Showing. Okay.
Okay. Tell off. To tell somebody off.
Tell off. No, I don't know meaning.
Okay, so if my son doesn't do his homework, his teacher will tell him off.
Okay, means like annoy.
Like discipline. Verbally, okay. Verbal discipline.
Okay, so my nephew was making some noise and I tell off.
Yeah,
him.
You'd say
tell him off.
You'd say I told him off.
I told him off.
Yeah.
Or if I want to use in present, then I should say whenever he make noise, I
tell
him
Good.
off. And And if suppose already I spoke to him, I would say I told him off.
Good. Mm-hmm. If you don't clean your bedroom, I'll tell you off.
Okay, I always do not clean.
Oh, my bedroom's terrible. It's like a teenager's bedroom.
My mother always scolded at me, change your bed sheet, do your bed.
Well, even now that you're an adult.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. To give in.
Oh, give in. No, I don't know meaning. Give in.
So, okay. So to give in is to. Let me think of an example. Right.
Tell me the meaning. I'll give you an example.
Okay. To be weak and to change your mind. So, for example, if you're on a diet and there's a big cake sat and you're looking at it and you say, nope, I'm not going to have any. And then I say, come on, Shaheen, it's a birthday cake. Come on. You might say, I'm not going to give in. No.
Give in means like eat or
to
what?
To if so, it's like the opposite of being strong. If I'm really strong, I'm not going to eat the cake. But then you give in. It's almost like you collapse. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah, to like change your mind. So sometimes my children say to me, "Can I have some sweets?" I'll say, "No, I need to make your dinner." Oh, come on, Mum. I haven't had anything for ages. I'm starving. Okay, fine. Here, have a couple of sweets. Fine. So I gave in.
Okay.
So, all right, I put that in the chat.
It's 4 minutes. You haven't given me any snap today. I'll have to make thumbnail.
Oh, what, do you want a photo? Go on then.
Yes.
Hang on. Where's my lipstick?
Nice. In our slang, we say must.
Nice. Musk. Okay.
Must. Must. Not must.
How do you say selfie?
Selfie. We call it selfie only. In pure Hindi, I don't know what will be the
You use the English word, selfie. International word. Okay, so what are you doing this evening? You're not going to eat any more cake?
No.
Have you eaten dinner?
Not yet. I'll ask.
Okay, do you know what you're having?
Don't know.
No.
What is being cooked?
Yeah, oh, very good. I don't know what is being cooked. Excellent grammar. All right. Yes, I've got no idea what we are eating tonight. Maybe steak. Do you like steak? Oh no, you don't. You're vegetarian.
No, I eat both. Veg, non-veg.
Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So what is steak?
What is steak? Beef steak. Steak and chips. It's very popular. Steak and chips. We find you. Beef. Yeah, it's beef. Yeah.
Okay.
So I have some.
Let me come to India once.
Say again.
Come to India.
I will. You can make me some nice food. Steak and chips. There you go. Can you see it?
Second street. Okay. Okay. You people don't eat roti, bread kind of things. I
Well,
think.
actually, we quite like Mexican food, so we do have sometimes enchiladas. Have you heard of enchiladas? No, yeah, we in the UK, Mexican food is quite popular. So it's like a tortilla wrap, and in it you put spicy chicken, vegetables, or different types of meat.
It's a roll
Yeah,
of bread.
it's like a flat. It's like a very thin flat bread, and then you put it in the oven with cheese on top. There you go. Can you see?
Okay. Yeah. These are rolls.
Yeah, it's like a it's a wrap.
Okay.
They're quite popular. I'll show you another photo of them. So my kids love to eat these, and they're really easy and quick to make. There you go. There's another one, chicken wrap.
Ah, it looks like Indian.
Yeah, it's like a chapati.
Yes,
similar
chapati.
to.
We make it every day, and we can't imagine our food without this.
We eat a lot of white bread. It's not very healthy, but my kids do love these wraps, and they love chapatis because we sometimes get Indian food, and they love naan bread, garlic naan bread, chapatis, and they like this.
Come to India, I'll teach you how to cook all those things.
Can you put us all up in your house? Remember, put up is to accommodate us all in your house.
Yes, sure.
There's only 6 of us.
Of course, that's why I'm calling.
No problem. So yeah, I'll see you on Friday. I'll see you tomorrow night then. We'll catch a flight.
Yeah, sure.
Have a big buffet.
Really plan a trip.
I will. I'll save. See you later. Bye.
Okay, bye. Good night.